Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the lands of Zamundas. Yes, I'm fixing my boobs because they is coming up out this this robe. I am Ty Alexander from Gorgeous and Gray. In case you are just joining me, welcome back. No, wait, what? In case you are just finding me, thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. Girl, hi. How about that? Anyway, this video is all about my current skincare routine. Everyone always asks me, you know, what do you use on your face? Lots of different things. So today I'm going to show you my morning routine. You ready?
You ready?
I've already wet my face and kind of got the, what do you call it? I got it moist. So I'm going to use my Lancôme Rose Sugar Scrub. This don't never work. Like when people do this, it don't work for me. Oh, maybe it's working. Look at the gods. There we go. And I literally should read the directions because I'm probably using it wrong. It ain't no directions on here. And it's also in like French. Okay, so it's a scrub, so I assume you just rub it on, which is what I've been doing. It's actually kind of, I feel like it's been working. This area of my face is always like mad dry. I usually like to put a little there, a little there, a little there, and a little there, and a little there, right? If I were home, I would use my Clarisonic and then scrub. But here's the thing about the face. Remember to scrub up, not down. So up, not down. I put a little water on the tips of my fingers because I don't know why I do it, I just do it. Y'all just watch, don't be asking no questions yet. If you got questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them. Also, this is just how I do it. Doesn't mean it's the ultimate correct way. At the end of the day, I'm not a dermatologist or esthetician, so I'm only doing what I think is right, what I've learned throughout the years, and what kind of works on my skin. And I'm showing you what might work on your skin too. How's y'all's Monday going? Is it still Monday where you at? I doubt it. How's y'all day going? How about that? And I scrub. I am wasting water. Let's not waste the water. Somewhere, somebody don't got no water to waste, so. All right, so I think I've scrubbed enough. Usually my Clarisonic will beep. Like I have a Clarisonic, like you do one side, it beeps, do one side, beep, do one side, beep, do one side, beep, do, right, get it. And then you're done. I don't know if I scrubbed enough beeps or not, but. All right, so now I'm going to wash it off. So now that my face is scrubbed, I'm gonna do one more exfoliating mask. Depending on how your skin goes or how long you've gone without washing your face, if you're like me and haven't washed your face real good, like good, in a few days, this will be okay. It can be a little bit harsh, so I don't recommend it for everybody. Again, I have to stress, okay, I am not an esthetician or a dermatologist, so this is just what I use on my face. If you use it on your face and it don't work or you break out, it's not her fault. Just saying. So next up, I use my Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. First of all, like first of all, she smells like I could eat her. Like it smelled like, so I think I'm the only black person that likes pumpkin pie. I feel you judging me, I do, but it smells like pumpkin pie, like fresh out the oven. It smells delicious. So you put this on your face for 3 to 7 minutes and then you wash it off. So I'm just gonna use my brush. I always use a brush to apply masks that are like messy. I don't want to get it on my fingers. I'm bougie. What can I say? Now we wait. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark.
Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do.
Daddy shark, do 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 do, Daddy shark. Grandma shark, do 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 do. I don't know why I'm like this. So while you have the mask on, you might feel a little tingly, refreshing feeling. If it starts to burn, rub that shit off immediately and consult a doctor, because it should not burn. But a little tingle, y'all see my brows? I got them threaded the other day. They are lit. Okay, still have 3 minutes left to do. What do I do? I feel like I should come back. I feel like I should stop recording and come back. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. I'll be back. My face is looking clinked though. Y'all so auntie on fleek. We still say on fleek. I feel like because I am auntie, I can say on fleek because I'm old. Well, I'm not really old, but probably older than y'all. I'm 42. But I love being 42. Like, I feel amazing. And I feel like I am defying the odds of what aging looks like. Like, I fit the bill. I have the gray hair. My knees ache sometimes, and my back. Wait, that's kind of being old. Anyway, point is, I feel kind of great. More importantly, let's talk about this. More importantly, I'm happy as fuck. I'm happy. I'm doing what I love to do. I'm creating content, mostly non-consistently. No, is it non or un? I don't know. Y'all see my face glowing right before your eyes though? Like, you see how like much clearer my skin is now though? Is that, or is it just me? Am I just bragging about myself for no reason? Anyway, I'm happy as hell. I get to do the things I love to do every day. I'm like, today I'm at a hotel, just reviewing the hotel, taking advantage of the romantic getaway with the husband. Life could not be better for me. Well, it could be better. I take that back, Jesus. I could have $1 million or more, and it would be better. In case you didn't know, I cannot sing. But my face, oh, it feels so, she feels soft and like supple. I hate using the word supple, but she feels clear. I feel like my pores are like less, like my forehead. Oh, I just can't, okay, focus. So next up, I'm gonna use this facial treatment essence from Fresh. Luckily, the hotel has, oh, that was loud. The hotel has cotton balls because I darn sure forgot mine. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. It kind of smells like toner. Doesn't smell like black tea. Doesn't smell like the traditional kombucha trash that I'm used to smelling. Anyway, put it on there and then swoosh this all over my face. Oh, I think I got it in my eyeball, but it's kombucha, so it's safe, right? Okay. Next, I'm gonna use the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream Super Lotus Night Recovery. It is a cream for nighttime, but since my skin is super dry and also I just couldn't find the daytime version of any of this stuff, we're gonna use it during the day. I don't really think it matters. It can do its work under my makeup because I'm gonna put a little face on today. But yeah, and I should be using the same up motion, but you know, sometimes I forget. But anyway. And let's not forget the neck. Always remember to protect the neck. And my last step is the hydrogel patches from Peter Thomas Roth. They have 24 karat gold in them. They're just amazing because they are, I suggest you get you some. They're a little slippery, guys. That's what it looks like. Under your eyeball, like that. and you leave it on 10 minutes. I'll be back. All right, so I took a lunch break, which obviously was more than 10 minutes, but we are all done. Whew. So to recap, I do scrub, exfoliant, essence, moisturize, gel mask. Five easy steps. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do me a favor and do a thumbs up. If you ain't like it, you can just scroll past. You ain't gotta do nothing. And be sure to subscribe, because I know we go together. At least in my mind we go together. So you may as well go ahead and hit that button, subscribe. And the little bell that's right there, ding, 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 ding. Do the little bell thing too, so that you can be notified when I put up a new video. Until next time, out we go. I wish I could sing like the Braxtons and like make up songs and it'd be like on harmony. Like not only am I tone deaf, I also don't really have no harmony, and I also can't really like dance. Like what kind of black person am I? I got the short end of the stick.